हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अनलॉक यूपीपीसीएस। अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे वैदिक एज से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द टर्म आर्यन डिनोट्स। हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज ए सुपीरियर रेस। Meaning of the term Arya in classical Sanskrit is, here correct answer is a noble man. Which one of the following is oldest Ved? So oldest Ved is Rig Ved, right? Four Ved हैं, namely Rigved, Yajurved, Samved and Atharved. Rigved is the most important and oldest among all these. Which among the following Vedas was the earliest composition? So earliest one is Rigved. Trai is a name for three Vedas. Trai means ऋग्वेद, यजुर्वेद एंड सामवेद। इन्हें ही त्रयी बोलते हैं या वेद त्रयी बोलते हैं। क्वेश्चन को दूसरे तरीके से भी पूछ सकता है कि वेद त्रयी इज ए नेम फॉर, सो आंसर विल बी 3 वेदास। इन विच वैदिक टेक्स्ट द टर्म वर्ण इज फाउंड referred for the first time? Here correct answer is Rigved. The Varna have been known from Rigved since a hymn in the Rigved portrays the Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya and the Shudra, issued forth at creation from the mouth, arms, thighs and the feet at the primeval person. Although the literal meaning of the word Varna is color or class in Sanskrit. The Purush Sukta related to Varna system is originally found in, correct answer is Rigved. Match the following: Atharvaved, Rigved, Yajurved, Samved. Here God, grace, sacrifice process, medicine, music. अथर्ववेद ये रिलेटेड है मेडिसिन से, राइट। ऋग्वेद गॉड ग्रेस, सो 3-1. Yajurved sacrifice process and Samved music. Correct answer is option A. यहाँ भी सेम वही दिया हुआ है, ऋग्वेद, यजुर्वेद, सामवेद, अथर्ववेद एंड हियर म्यूजिकल हाइम्स। ये सामवेद का हो जाएगा C1, राइट। ऋग्वेद hymns and prayers, यजुर्वेद hymns and rituals and अथर्ववेद अथर्ववेद का हो जाएगा charms and spells. Rigved consists of 1028 hymns and 10,552 verses और मंत्र और श्लोकास, इसे याद रखना, राइट। यजुर्वेद contains the description of shrots and recitals. The Samved consists of many hymns which are taken from Rigved and are indeed lyrical and melodious. The Atharvaved contains a lot of knowledge of the physical world and spirituality. Which one of the following 4 Vedas contains an account of magical charms and spells? Here correct answer is Atharva Ved. In Rig Ved there are dash mantras, so option ही wrong है. Rig Ved consists of 1028 hymns and 10,552 verses, यानी कि mantras. The Rig Ved is the correct answer is collection of hymns. यहाँ मैच करने के लिए दिया हुआ है ऋग्वेद, सामवेद, अथर्ववेद, यजुर्वेद और लिस्ट 2 में दिया हुआ है इनके ब्राह्मण, ठीक है। ऋग्वेद का ऐत्रेय ब्राह्मण, सामवेद पंचविश 3, 4. C will be the answer. ठीक है. अथर्ववेद गोपद ब्राह्मण. देन यजुर्वेद का है शतपथ या तैत्तिरीय. Which one of the following Brahmans text belongs to the ऋग्वेद? तो ऋग्वेद का है ऐत्रेय ब्राह्मण. Separate Brahmin texts were written for each Ved. The Brahmin text related to Yajurved is. Here correct answer is तैत्तिरीय and शतपथ. मैच द फॉलोइंग में भी वही दिया हुआ है, यजुर्वेद का शतपथ एंड तैत्तिरीय. गोपद ब्राह्मण is associated with. Here correct answer is अथर्व वेद. Gopad Brahman is the only Brahman genre of prose text describing the Vedic rituals associated with the Atharva Ved. The text is associated with both the Shaunak and the Peplad recensions of the Atharva Ved. Which of the following is a Samhita of Shukla Yajurved? Vajasnami, Maitrayani, Taittiriya, Kathak. Here correct answer is Vajasnami. There are two branches of Yajurved, Shukla Yajurved and Krishna Yajurved. Vajasnemi is the Samhita of Shukla Yajurved. Shukla Yajurved is available only in poetic form, whereas Krishna Yajurved contains both poetic as well as prose form. Which mandal of Rig Veda is completely dedicated to Som? Here correct answer will be ninth mandal. Ninth mandal of Rig Veda comprises 114 hymns dedicated to Som. कितने hymns हैं? 114 hymns. Ninth mandal of the Rig Veda is devoted wholly to Som, the god who is named after the drink. Rites and rituals related to yajnas are mentioned in. Correct answer is Yajurved. Yajurved in Sanskrit means wisdom of sacrificial formulas. Right? और जो संहिताज ऑफ यजुर्वेद हैं इन्हें टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है, शुक्ल और वाइट यजुर्वेद एंड कृष्ण और ब्लैक यजुर्वेद. Which of the following Ved is divided into two branches as Krishna and Shukla? Here correct answer is यजुर्वेद. देखो ये एक्सप्लेनेशन में दिया हुआ था कि संहिताज ऑफ यजुर्वेद आर डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, शुक्ल और वाइट यजुर्वेद एंड कृष्ण और ब्लैक यजुर्वेद. तो ये देखो ये क्वेश्चन भी बना के दे दिया है उत्तराखंड पीसीएस 2025, पिछले साल का ही है. यजुर्वेद हैज टू मेजर ब्रांचेस, the Krishna Yajurved and the Shukla Yajurved. In the Krishna Yajurved, the mantras are irregular and fixed, whereas in the Shukla Yajurved, the order and recitation of the mantras are more systematic. This Ved is related to the rituals and procedures of sacrifices and worship. The compilation of which among the following is based upon the Rig Veda? Here correct answer is Samved. Samved is the shortest among all the four Vedas. Okay, it is closely connected with the Rig Veda. याद रखना shortest कौन सा वेद है? Samved. It has taken many verses from the Rig Veda. The Samved is compiled inclusively for ritual application and all of its verses are meant to be chanted in ceremonies. Samved Samhita consists a total of 1875 verses. Among these, except 75 or 99 verses, all of them are compiled in Rig Veda. Earliest evidence of the use of iron in India has been discovered from अतरंजी खेड़ा. बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन है. अतरंजी खेड़ा इज ए प्री हिस्टोरिक एंड excavated archaeological site on the bank of Kali River, a tributary of Ganga. This site was first identified by Sir Alexander Cunningham in 1861-62, but excavated by R. C. Gore. A trial trench put in 1962 was followed in the next year by digging on a small scale. Regular excavation was started in 1964. Earliest evidence of iron used in the region dates back to around 1000 BC. When did the use of iron begin in Indian subcontinent? यहाँ ऑप्शन में none of the above. Upanishads are book on, तो इसका आंसर है philosophy. The Upanishad literature represents a philosophy for all times and for all. Upanishad means pupils sit near the teacher to learn from him about the secret doctrine. Philosophy of Upanishads does not oppose any school or thought, religion, or interpretation of the scriptures, but its method for explaining its concepts is unique. The main theme of Upanishads is, here correct answer is philosophy. Which one of the following Vedic literature talks about salvation? Here correct answer is Upanishads. Word salvation or moksha is not used in Vedas. ये याद रखना. It was first discussed in Upanishads. Moksha means liberation. The continuous cycle of life and death is not the actual aim of the human soul. According to the Upanishads, the core of our self is not the body or the mind, but the Atma, soul. So, वेदों में ये वर्ड नहीं यूज किया गया है मोक्ष. ये डिस्कस किया गया है किसमें? उपनिषद्स में. The famous dialogue between Nachiketa and Yam is mentioned in Kathopanishad. Here correct answer is C. Kathopanishad is the story of the conversation between Yam, Lord of Death, and Nachiketa, the young 12-year-old boy who left home in search of the meaning of death and beyond. This forms the subject matter of one of the Upanishads called Katha Upanishad or Kathopanishad. Nachiketa legends finds mention in. Correct answer is Kathopanishad. King Aswapati of the Upanishadic period was the ruler of. Here correct answer is Kaikeya. अब जैसे कि इसमें एक्सप्लेनेशन में दिया हुआ है, किंग जनक ऑफ विदेह, किंग प्रवाहंज बाली ऑफ पंचाल, किंग अश्वपति ऑफ कैकेय एंड किंग अजातशत्रु ऑफ काशी. ठीक है, ये याद रखना. अश्वपति वॉज ए क्षत्रिय किंग. ही वॉज वेल नोन as a learned teacher of the age. The Kaikeya kingdom was situated on the bank of river Beas, east of Gandhar kingdom. King Ashwapati ruled Kaikeya when Janak was the king of Videha. Which of the following is the correct order of the Vedic literature? Here correct answer is A. Vedic Samhitas, Brahmanas, Arnakyas, Upanishad. The river mentioned most in early Vedic literature is, here correct answer is Sindhu. Explanation देख लेते हैं. Sindhu river was the most important river during the Vedic period. That is why it was mentioned most of the time in the Rig Veda. Sindhu river, due to its economic importance related to gold, was called Hiranyari, and its place of termination is in the Arabian Sea. Saraswati river was the most pious river of Rigvedic Aryans and was called Nadittama. Vedic river Askini is identified with which one of the following rivers? Here correct answer is Chenab. Vedic river Askani is identified with the present-day river named as Chenab, also popularly known as Chandrabhaga. The river Chenab originates from Tandi in Lahore, Spiti, where two rivulets, namely Chandra and Bhaga, meet to form this river. Which of the following rivers mentioned in the Rig Veda indicates the relations of Aryans with Afghanistan? Correct answer is Kubha Krumo. Rivers mentioned in the Rig Veda, namely Kubha, Krumo, Gomti, and Suastu, were flowing through Afghanistan, which indicates that there were deep relations of Aryans with the country. The Vedic river Kubha was located in Afghanistan. Okay, Vedic rivers and their modern name. Kubha, परुष्णी सदानीरा शतुद्री हियर एक तरफ दिया हुआ है मॉडर्न नेम गंडक काबुल रावी सतलेज कुबा मॉडर्न नेम काबुल परुष्णी रावी 2 3 that is B is the correct answer. Okay, then Sadanira, Gandak and Shatudri Satluj. In the period of Mahabharat, the name of Mahanadi was महानदी का क्या नाम था? चित्रोत्पला. हियर करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. देखो ये महानदी का देखो इसमें महानंदा दे दिया है. द नेम ऑफ महानदी वॉज महानंदा. The name of Mahanadi during the period of Mahabharat was Chitrotpala. In the Bhishma Parva of Mahabharat, the Chitrotpala river is praised as Punyadayini and Papnashini. Indian people drank the water of Chitrotpala. This fact is proved by the following verse of Chitrotpala. Sorry, correct option E दिया हुआ है. E is the correct answer. Okay. The Mahanadi has been called Chitrotpala Ganga in the Mahoba copper plate of Someshwar Dev. As per the Vayu Puran, what is the mythological name of Mahanadi river? Here correct answer is Nilotpala. In Vayu Puran, the mythological name of Mahanadi river is Nilotpala. In Matsya Puran, river Mahanadi was stated as Chitrotpala. ये याद रखना, in Matsya Puran, river Mahanadi was stated as Chitrotpala, and in Vayu Puran, the mythological name of Mahanadi river is Nilotpala. ये explanation important है. Which of the following customs emerged during the post-Vedic period? देखो इसमें ए भी सही दिया गया है, सी भी ठीक है. देखो धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्ष सही है. ब्रह्मचर्य गृहस्थ वानप्रस्थ संन्यास सही है. According to ancient Hindu scriptures, during the later Vedic period, the Hindu tradition recognized 4 stages or ashrams in human life, namely brahmacharya, grihastha, vanaprastha and sannyas, and 4 purusharth, namely dharma, artha, kam, moksha. While living in which ashram did a person have to perform the rituals of the Panch Maha Yajna? Here correct answer is Grihastha ashram. IAS pre 2011 का क्वेश्चन. The Dharma and Rit depict a central idea of ancient Vedic civilization of India. In this context, consider the following statements. Dharma was the conception of obligations and the discharge of one's duties to oneself and to others. Rit was the fundamental moral law governing the functioning of the universe and all it contained. Here correct answer is option C. That is both these statements are correct. Okay. In context ऑन इंडियन कल्चर रित मीन्स, रित का मतलब क्या होता है? दैट इज नेचुरल लॉ. The concept of Rit, that is the universal principle of natural order, is of Vedic origin. The Rit has been the basis of Indian culture, legal theory, politics, and philosophy. God Varun was supposed to uphold Rit or the natural order, which is why he was also called as Ritasya Gopa. ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि किस भगवान को ऋतस्य गोपा कहा गया है? तो दैट इज गॉड वरुण. Who among the following Vedic deities was believed to be their priest? सभी जानते हो बृहस्पति. बृहस्पति also known as Devguru, teacher or priest of gods, is the guru of the devas, gods, right? Who among the following was a Brahmavadini who composed some hymns of the Vedas? Answer is Lopamudra. Many hymns of the Rig Veda were composed by women and they were called Brahmavadini. The prominent among them were Lopamudra, Vishwavara, Sikta, Nivavari, and Ghosha. Lopamudra was the wife of Agastya Rishi. During the Rig Vedic period, word Nishk was used for a jewelry, but in later periods it was used for the meaning of coin. Okay. ऋग्वेदिक पीरियड में गोल्ड नेकलेस को निष्क कहा जाता था. निष्क ग्रीवा, ग्रीवा मीन्स गर्दन. बट लेटर ऑन वर्ड निष्क got associated with the gold coins. During the Rigvedic period, Nishk was an ornament of neck. Nishk in ancient India was known as gold ornaments. Bogus koi is important because inscriptions were found which mentioned the names of Vedic gods and goddesses. Bogachkai inscription Asia Minor Turkey is important because there is mention of four Vedic gods, namely Indra, Varun, Maitreya and Nasatya. Which of the following inscriptions tells about the Aryans movement of Aryans from Iran to India? Here correct answer is Bogus Koi. An inscription of 14th century BC which describes the Vedic gods has been found in. Here correct answer is Bogus Koi. एक बात ध्यान रखना गाइस, देखो कौन से क्वेश्चन बार बार रिपीट हो रहे हैं उसको तो एकदम अच्छे से याद कर लो, उसके बारे में अच्छे से एकदम पढ़ लेना. बोगस कोई इंस्क्रिप्शन विच मेंशंस फोर वैदिक गॉड्स नेमली इंद्र, वरुण, मित्र एंड नसात्य इज ए 14th century BC इंस्क्रिप्शन. चलो अभी अभी यहीं तक रखते हैं, ठीक है. तो आप लोग सब्सक्राइब नहीं करो, सभी सब्सक्राइब करो फ्रेंड्स, लाइक करो एंड शेयर करो. और मैं ये सोच रही थी कि मैं मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री भी स्टार्ट करूँगी बिकॉज इसका वेटेज ज़्यादा रहता है प्री में कंपैरिजन टू एंशियंट एंड मिडीवल. ओके चलो गाइस, थैंक यू. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करो आप सभी अनलॉक यूपी पीसीएस को. बाय.